Hi friends, let us solve a nice problem. We have two equations. X square plus 1 times y square plus 1 equals 10 and x plus y times xy minus 1 equals 3. We have these two system of equations. We have to solve them. Now here we have xy's, we have x plus y and we have x square and y square. Let's try to convert all of them in terms of x plus y and xy and, and then try to solve this. That becomes little easy. Let's see how we can convert x square plus 1 and y square 1 plus 1 in terms of x plus y and xy. Right. X square plus 1 and y square plus 1. If you expand this, what will happen? X square y square plus x square plus y square plus 1 equals 0. Right. Now, this x square plus y square, we can write it as x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Right. And this one, if you take it to the other side, it becomes 9. So x square y square plus x plus y whole square minus 2xy equals 9. So this equation we have converted to this form in terms of x plus y and xy. Right. This equation is already in the form of x plus y and xy. So let us, for simplicity, let us substitute x plus y as u and xy as v. So that this the for us the solving becomes little easy. So what is x square y square? It becomes v square plus x plus y whole square becomes u square minus 2v equals 9. So similarly here u times v minus 1 equals 3. That means uv minus u equals 3. So we are getting this equation from here and v square plus u square minus 2v from here. Now what we do? Let us add both of this and let us subtract both of this. Left to left, addition and subtraction. If we add this one and this one, what we get? V square plus u square minus 2v plus uv minus u. Plus, sorry, plus 2uv minus 2u. We are just doing the double. We are doing the double of this here. uv minus u equals 3. So 2u minus 2uv minus 2u equals 6. Why we are doubling? Because we want a square. Right, so v square minus u square minus 2v plus 2uv minus 2u equals 9 plus 6, which is 15. Right, we are just adding first 3 are this and next 2 are this and 9 plus 6 is 15. Now, why we are adding 2uv and 2u? Because we want a square. So this becomes v square plus u square plus 2uv becomes v plus u whole square minus 2v and minus 2u. It will become minus 2 times u plus v. This is 15. Right. This is in the form of p square minus 2p minus 15 equals 0. Right. V plus u. Now again replace v plus u with p. Earlier we replaced x plus y with u. Now again for simplicity v plus u with p again. So this we can factorize p square minus 5p plus 3p because minus 5 times minus 5 times 3 is minus 15 and minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, right? So this becomes p times p minus 5 plus 3 times p minus 5, p plus 3 into p minus 5 equals 0. So p is 5 or minus 3. What is our p? P is v plus u. So u plus v is actually 5 or minus 3. This is while addition, while we are adding these two equations, right? These two equations are nothing but these two equations only. Right, these two equations, the original two equations, just written in the form of v and u. What is v? V is xy and u is x plus y. Right, now we have got what is u plus v. U plus v means x plus y plus xy. We have found u plus x plus y plus xy is this. Right, similarly, while subtracting this minus this. Right, v square plus u square minus 2v minus 2uv plus 2u. This becomes, see, v square plus u square minus 2uv. So this we can write it as u minus v whole square plus 2 times u minus v again equals 9 minus 6, which is 3. So this is also in the form of u minus v whole square. That is t square plus 2t minus 3. Right, t is u minus v. Then we can again factorize this as t square plus 3t minus t. 3t minus t is 2t and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Right. So this becomes t times t plus 3 minus 1 times t plus 3. So t is either 1 or minus 3. What does that mean? U minus v is 1 or minus 3. What is u? X plus y and v is x minus y. Sorry, xy. So x plus y minus xy is 1 minus 3 and x plus y plus xy is 5 minus 3. Now, this is much more simplified than the original two set of equations. With these two, we can calculate what is u, what is v, right? u plus v can be 5, and then u minus v can be 1 or minus 3, u plus v can be minus 3, u minus v can be 1 or minus 3. We have four sets of equations. Let us solve all of these four sets. Right, u plus v can be 5, u minus v can be minus 1, minus 3 and 1. Right, in this when it is 5. Similarly, u plus v is minus 3, then u minus v again can be minus 3 or 1. If we solve this, 2u becomes 5 minus 3, which is 2, u becomes 1, and v becomes 4, 5 minus 1. In this case, u becomes 2u becomes 6, so u becomes 3 and v becomes 2. In this case, u becomes minus 3, right? 2u becomes minus 6, u becomes minus 3, and v is obviously 0. In this case, 2u becomes minus 2, u becomes minus 2 by 2. So u is minus 1, v is minus 2. Right, we have got four sets of solutions. Now, what are this? What is u? U is originally x plus y. X plus y and xy. X plus y is 1, x plus y is 4. We have got four sets of x plus y and xy. This is simplified version of these two equations. These two equations have massively simplified to these four equations. Right. These two equations have simplified to these four equations. Now we just need to solve these four equations. We have x plus y and xy. Right, that means we know x minus y also. But x minus y will have two solutions. That means each set of these two equations will give rise to two more solutions. Right, x plus y equals 1, xy equals 4. What is x minus y? X minus y whole square is x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Right, so x minus y is root of x plus y whole square minus 4xy. Let us use this. So x plus y is 1 and xy is 4. That means x minus y become 1 minus 4 times 4, 16. That is root of minus 16. Right. So that means x minus y is plus or minus root 15 I. I square is minus 1. Right. So plus or minus root 15 I. We are getting imaginary solutions here, not real solutions. So x plus y is 1 and x minus y can be plus root 15, or x minus y can be minus root 15. Right. Similarly, here x plus y is 3, xy is 2, x minus y becomes, again, x minus y becomes x plus y whole square, 9 square minus 4 to 8, which is root 1. So x minus y will be plus or minus 1. So x plus y is 3 and x minus y can be plus 1 or minus 1. Again, we are getting two sets. Right. Similarly, here x plus y, xy, x plus y is minus 3, xy is 0. That means x minus y is x plus y whole square minus 4xy. That means root of 3 square, root of 9, which is plus or minus 3. X minus y is plus or minus 3. So we have to solve again two sets of equation. X plus y is minus 3 and x minus y is either plus 3 or minus 3. So let us solve the first set of equations here. Here, if when x plus y is 1, x minus 5 is plus root 15. That means 2x becomes 1 plus uh, root 15i. X becomes 1 plus root 15i by 2. So here there is a by 2. Sorry for the typo. There is a by 2 here. Right. Similarly, here 2x becomes 4, x equals 2. Then obviously y equals 1. Here 2x becomes 0, x becomes 0, y becomes minus 3. Here 2x becomes 2, x becomes 1, and y becomes minus 2. So we have solved for each of these ones first set. There is a second set also, where x plus y is 1 and x minus y is minus root 15. That means 2x equals 1 minus root 15, x becomes 1 minus root 15 I by 2. So obviously y becomes 1 minus x, which is 1 minus of this, which is 1 plus root 15 I by 2. So here 2x becomes 2, x becomes 1, y becomes 2. Here 2x becomes minus 6, x becomes minus 3, and y becomes 0. Here 2x becomes minus 4, x becomes minus 2, y becomes 1. We notice xy, see for example, we have got 8 solutions now, right? Here, for each of these ones, we have got 2 x minus y's. So that's why each of the solution, u equal to 1, v equal to 4, each of this has given rise to 2 solutions, of which 2 are total 8 solutions, of which 2 are imaginary and remaining 6 are real. Right, what are those? 1 plus root, this is 1 minus root 15 I by 2, 1 plus root 15 I by 2, this is 1, and this is 1 plus root 15 I by 2, this one 1 plus root 15 I by 2, and 1 minus root 15 I by 2. See, x, y's are just interchanged in these two sets. Then 2, 1, 1, 2, right? 2, 1, 2, and the earlier one, 2, 1. Right? This is also almost same. 0, minus 3, and minus 3, 0. Here it is 0, minus 3, and the next one is minus 3, 0. Right? So these two are also same, just x, y's are interchanged. Here, 1, minus 2, and minus 2, 1. 1, minus 2, and minus 2, 1. These are the 8 solutions. Right, guys? The problem is very easy, little lengthy, just that we have to convert everything in terms of x plus y and xy. And rest is all straightforward. Thank you, guys.